It's nail mail time. We are opening up Mani by Me's September box. Yep, it's a little late, but whatever, we're doing it. So inside you can see we've got some, is it already Halloween time? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm just taking everything out of the box and I'm throwing it down here. What did we get? I have no idea. I love brushes. And these are brushes. These are brushes. These are brushes. Okay, calm down. I'm just gonna set that off to the side for a second because I gotta calm down for just a minute. Let's go back and look. Mani by Me, Maniology, here it is. You guys have a look. I'm not gonna look. Then the My Time Magic Manicure How-To. Kick back in your hula hut and bask in the magic of this Tiki inspired manicure you can create in this month's Mani by Me. This is exciting, super fun. Okay, so we will be doing this in another video. That'll be fun. Looks very Hawaii, very fun, very tiki, and yet Halloweeny, I guess. Is there Halloweeny in there? Oh, there's a skull. Okay, anyway, we'll figure it out later. I'm super excited about it. Let's go. These were the extra item. It is a whole bunch of detail brushes, and oh my gosh, detail brushes they are. I want you guys to look at how thin these are. I love that they come in this little kit too, this carrying kit. On one side, we've got dotting tools, which are always a nice thing to have. But on the other end, we have all kinds of very fine, gosh, can you see that? Or do I need to take these off? They're very fine brushes. So just to give you an idea of some of the other detail brushes I've been using. That's a detail brush I've been using. Some of them are pretty fine. This is a detail brush I've been using. So these are super, super detailed. That's awesome, awesome, awesome. This was a Maniology detail brush I've been using. It's getting a little bit better, but these are super duper fine. And when you're dealing with nail art, you need something super duper tiny. So this is extremely exciting for me. I am so pumped about this. Yay, yay, and yay. And it's just a bonus that they come in really pretty glittery stuff. Okay, Maniology, nice job. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brushes. 5 brushes, 5 people. A new sticker, it's a new sticker, it's a new sticker. Abracadabra, cute, okay. Oh, and it's got the, I was about to say, it didn't say anything about Maniology, but he's got the little M on his coat. That's very cute. Okay, Maniology, I see you. Another one for my e-scooter. And let's get in and look at the plates. So this is our Tiki Hawaiian stuff, I guess. MXM112. We've got scary Tiki images right here. We've got the ocean waves, a nice sunset with bats. That's pretty cool. We've got jack-o'-lanterns and spider webs, trick or treat, scary night, different Tiki and jack-o'-lantern like drink cups, you know? That's cool. Tiki bar with a skeleton making a cocktail. That's funny. And just different Hawaiian kind of, still Hawaiian inspired Halloween stuff. Okay, so we've got some, it's a mummy in a pool. Okay, a flamingo that's a skeleton. Aloha witches, that's hilarious. Headstones. Pumpkin jack-o'-lantern luau glasses, you know, like tiki glasses. Then we've got the, is that Dracula on a wave? That's nice. Okay. Again, Hawaiian inspired. Happy Hula Week. Oh, Happy Halloween. That's cool. So a Hawaiian inspired October. It's not called October, it's called Halloween. So this is kind of fun. Okay, I see how Maniology put their own twist on it. That's really fun. Let's get in and see what the colors are. I don't want to open the bottom. I always open the bottom. Am I opening the bottom? No. Okay. On the top. I open the top. Uh-oh. Okay, one of them's not a stamping polish. I see that right away. Ooh, but it's a fun color. Okay, our stamping polish is Zombie Hut. This nice like neon looking green. And then we have Corpse Reviver. And it doesn't look like a stamping polish. Normally they put their stamping polishes in this and their other stuff in that. So maybe it's a jelly color. I don't know, let's swatch it and see what happens. Let's put it on our fake nails first, and then we'll go from there. So this is Zombie Hut. Nice and thick. There we go. Okay. You're gonna need two coats, but pretty color. It's actually a really nice color. I don't think I have that color green. That's a great green. Any color I don't have is a great color. And now we're off to the Corpse Reviver. What a bright color. And it's sticky too. I might have to read about this and see what they say about it. Because why wouldn't it be? Why wouldn't it be a stamping color? It looks kind of jelly-ish, a little see-through. So maybe that's why. And it's a little thick. I'm gonna have to read about it. I try not to read while I'm going through, just so I can enjoy the moment, but I might have to read about these too. Uh-oh, my nail's falling off the thing. Okay, let me get back over here. Do a little Corpse Reviver. Let's just do this. Is a thrilling purple glow-in-the-dark polish. Shut up. Okay, well, we're gonna have to play with that and see if it really does glow in the dark. I think they gave us a glow in the dark neon yellow last time, but a neon purple glow in the dark, that's gonna be amaze balls. Okay, so both of those are gonna need a second coat. I'll deal with that in a minute. Let's go ahead and do our swatches on top. Or at least the Swatch Me sticker on top of this guy. And then I wanna see if I can swatch the other one. I mean, why not? I always do, so let's just see if we can do it. Let me get this is the only stamp that I will use, which is kind of funny. And this is how old it is. It's from Bundle Monster. So Maniology used to be Bundle Monster. Okay, so we'll turn that around. It's definitely a few years old, people. Definitely a few years old. Here's my scraper card, and I've got my stamper nearby, so let's go. Maybe I didn't clean that well enough before I started. Maybe I should have done that. We'll see what happens. Oh yeah. So lovely. I don't have that green. That's a great green. Super excited about that green. All right, let's give this a clean. And then we'll see what we can do with this other guy. See if it swatches it at all. Because if you could get a glow-in-the-dark polish that's stamped well, psh. Okay, I think I'll put it on this one right here. So let me move this over here. Okay, and then I'll affix that to this bottle right there. All right, here we go. Will it work? Will it not? I don't know, it's very thick. That's why I had to go and look at like what it was, because it is, girl, she thick. Okay, boom, boom. Oh, not at all. Just nothing to put down. All right, maybe if I worked faster, let's try that. It is very thick, and I didn't think it was going to stamp, but I don't know, we're gonna try. If I work fast, I might be able to get something. Something is all I'm asking for. I also need to clean this guy off. So, just got my lint roller, and I'm gonna, I think the back might be icky too. Oh, this is the Maniology one, so it's supported in there with that back. So it's just the bubbles. It's just the bubbles, people. It's just the bubbles. Okay. And we're fast, we're fast, we're fast, we're fast. And we're fast and fast and fast. Nope, just not a lot. Just not a lot at all. And I got this one completely off. That was the one I was supposed to do it on. Okay, but you know what? I like to leave it on so I can know whether or not it stamps or not. So I am gonna put it on this. You know what? I gotta close it first. Jeez, it's trying to be fast. And then I'll put it right here. Maybe a little bit more in the middle and maybe right side up. That'd be nice. Okay, so glow in the dark polish doesn't really stamp, but I do want to see how glow in the dark it is. So we'll give it a chance to do that here in a little bit. And I will show you the glow in the darkedness. Is that a word? The glow in the darkedness of the polish. I'll try to at least on this this one as well, this video as well. Oh, my camera's going a little cuckoo bird. Sorry, guys. Okay, I am gonna put a second coat before I leave you guys on these two. I think that one's on there good. It's the purple one. I think it's a little cattywampus. Oh yeah, that second coat is everything on this one. I mean, it looked good after the first one, but it really needed the second one for the opacity. Okay, Beautimus. Really nice color. And I don't have it. That's the most important part. I don't know if this one's dry. I don't know how long it takes to dry. Obviously, it doesn't take very long if we couldn't stamp with it. Because it wasn't like it was smooshing around. I think it was just dry. Okay, and I want to see this later on in the dark. So let's get a nice good coat on there. That's pretty cool. That's really cool. And it's a lovely color too. Okay, so with this kit, well, I guess I'll show you guys the glow in the dark stuff. I'll put a video clip in here of the glow in the dark stuff next. Okay, oh, there it is, there it is. It does glow in the dark. I exposed it to some light. I don't know if you needed to do that, but I exposed it to some light before I got started. And I hope you guys can see it. It definitely glows in the dark. I'm not sure how strong it is, but it definitely glows in the dark. Okay, so really cool purple that actually glows in the dark. Really neat. It was way brighter than it was on camera, so I just want you guys to know that in real life, it was way brighter than what we actually showed on camera. So in this kit, you get the two cards, the one card that shows what's in the kit. You also get the tutorial card that we'll go over a little bit later. You get very cute sticker. I'm not sure what sticker you're gonna get. I think they're different in each box. You're gonna get your two Hawaiian themed Halloween, or not Hawaiian themed, I guess that's more luau. What do they call it? Tiki themed, although it's Hawaii. We know it's Hawaii, it's Maniology. So Tiki themed plates that are MXM111 and 112. And you're also going to get, I've mentioned the two colors. The two colors are called Zombie Hut and Corpse Reviver. And you're gonna get, let me move this around. See that? There we go. I feel better about that now. And then you get these really awesome, very cool dotting tool and detail brush, super, super duper detailed brush. That is your Mani by Me kit for September. Oh my gosh, what a great kit. So thank you guys so much. Thank you, Maniology. And you guys know that if you want to use my code, Groove Mama, to get 10% off of your order, you can absolutely do that. Feel free to follow me on Instagram too, @Groove Mama. People, until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye.